Hello, Namaste. Hey, Giria. How are you all doing? Thank you for all your support. Obrigada. As you all know, Jiomart is an online shopping store which provides A to Z products to its customers' home with free delivery, and it's known for its best offers. It has given 50% WhatsApp offer. That means if you order any of the Jiomart products via WhatsApp or through using WhatsApp, you'll be given 50% off instantly on your cart value. So today let's see how to order Jiomart products using WhatsApp. Before I proceed, let me clarify something. For ordering a Jiomart or products via WhatsApp, you need not have a Jiomart app. But most important is you got to have UPI ID. Again, I repeat, you got to have UPI ID. Then only you can go for WhatsApp order. First, you got to click on the WhatsApp link that is shown in the picture. I've provided this link in the description box. You can go check it out. Otherwise, you can send a text message, hi, to the number that is displayed on the screen on WhatsApp. Then you'll receive a welcome message from Jiomart with all offer details. And if you're a regular user of Jiomart, you'll have a text message on your WhatsApp in this way, as shown in the picture. You'll have two options. Maybe later and visit store. Click on visit store and you'll have a welcome message from Jiomart. Now you go to click on get started and then view catalog. You'll be directed to Jiomart shop as shown in the picture. You enter your pin code number here and click on continue. Here you'll see all the products that are available. Otherwise, you can give the names of the products in the search tab as shown in the picture. Here I have given coconut oil. Now add to cart all the products you require by clicking on plus symbol as shown in the picture. I have selected here onions, added to cart. Now click on send to business and you'll be directed to WhatsApp and you'll see the message here, whatever the items you've added to cart. Then click on view send cart, then click on provide address and here you can give your address and click on send address. Again, you'll be directed to WhatsApp to confirm your address and click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you select any of the payment modes that are available over there. But if you select pay on WhatsApp, you'll be given instant 50 rupees off as discount on minimum order value 100 rupees. Here I have selected pay on WhatsApp and then click on review and pay. Now click on accept and continue. You got to select your bank which has got UPI ID. Now click on allow, verify. Now your phone number will be verified. Here you can confirm your payment by selecting your bank and clicking on send payment. That's it, your order is placed and I've got instant discount of 50 rupees as well on order value 112 rupees. You can even check the status of your order by texting a message as track. And if you're happy with the order, you can give them feedback as shown in the picture. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Flying Skies One. Have a good day and keep smiling.